Hello friend, in this video you will get the information about Chess credit card application process. Step by step guide to apply online. Apply for a Chess credit card is simple, secure and can be done entirely online. Follow these easy steps to complete your applications. Visit the Chess website. Go to chess.com or open the Chess mobile app. Navigate to the credit card sections or browse available cards. Okay. Tips for a smooth application before you apply. You have a good credit card score of 670 plus, increase your approval chances. Accurate information, provide accurate details to avoid delays or rejections. Low credit utilizations, keep your credit utilizations below 30%. Avoid multiple applications, too many applications in a short time can lower your credit score. Existing relationships helps. Having a chess checking or saving account may improve your chances. Okay, now let's start. How can you apply for a chess credit card? First of all, you have to visit the chess website. Go to chess.com or open the chess mobile app. Navigate to the credit card sections and browse available cards. Second is choose the right cards. Compare cards based on rewards, benefits, fees and APR. Click on the card you want to apply for a review the details. Third is click apply now. Click the apply now button to card page. You will be directed to the secure applications page. Fill out your personal information like your full name, your address, your DOV, your email and your phone number. Provide your social security number or individual taxpayer identifications number like your ITI number. Provide financial information about enter your employment status, employer names or job titles like provide your annual incomes and housing payment details. Sixth process is about review your information. Carefully review all the information you provided. Make sure everything is accurate and before submitting. Seventh is submit your applications. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click submit to send your applications to just for review and complete your applications. Get a decisions you may get a instant decisions and second of most applications. If not, just will review your application and send a decision typically within 7 to 10 days business days. Documents information you may need: government issues photo ID, social security number or ITI number, proof of income pay stub, tax returns, bank statements, etc. Current residential address, employment information. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.